Greetings, magical souls. Welcome to Day 2 of our Witchy Challenge. Today we're delving into the essential practice of grounding and centering. Let's begin our journey inward. Find a comfortable position, whether seated or standing. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Now exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you're holding. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, reaching deep into the earth below. These roots anchor you, connecting you to the planet's core. Feel the Earth's energy rising through these roots, filling your body with warmth and stability. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize a bright, golden light at the center of your being. This is your magical core, the source of your power and intuition. With each inhale, this light grows brighter and stronger. Now, imagine this light expanding outward, filling every part of your body. It flows down your arms to your fingertips, through your torso, and down your legs to your toes. You are a beacon of magical energy. As you exhale, send any excess energy back into the earth through your roots. This creates a continuous cycle of energy flowing through you, grounding and centering your entire being. Take a moment to bask in this feeling of connection and balance. You are grounded in the physical world and centered in your magical self. When you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Carry this grounded and centered energy with you throughout your day. Remember, witches, you can return to this practice whenever you need to reconnect with your magical core. Share your experience using the hashtag Witchy Challenge. Until tomorrow, blessed be.